Want to increase your Cash App sending, receiving, or withdrawal limits? Here's how to do it. First, open the Cash App and tap the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down and select Limits to see your current restrictions. If your account isn't verified, you'll likely see lower limits, such as $1,000 per week for sending or $2,500 per week for adding cash. To raise these, you need to verify your identity. Start by going back and attempting to send or add money. Cash App will then prompt you to verify your identity by providing your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once approved, your limits will automatically increase. If you've already verified and still face restrictions, scroll to the bottom of the profile menu, tap Support, and contact Cash App's chat team directly to request a review of your account. If this helped, hit like, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Cash App tips.